Hi folks! In this second video, we'll walk you through how the machine translation automated review process works on SUMO, and more importantly, how you, as a contributor, can play a vital role in this process. How does the automated review system work? As described in a previous video, when an empty revision is created, it stays in a review queue for 7 days. During this window, several outcomes are possible depending on new activity. Scenario 1. A newer revision is approved. If a contributor manually submits and gets a newer revision approved during the review window, the older empty revision is automatically rejected and marked no longer relevant. Scenario 2. The English article is updated. If the English parent article is updated, approved, and marked ready for localization during the 7-day review window, then the older empty revision is automatically rejected and the comment status will display no longer relevant. A new empty revision is generated based on the latest English version, and the 7-day timer restarts for the new revision. Scenario 3. Manual approval or rejection. If a reviewer manually approves or rejects an empty revision, it stops the automated review process for that revision and the comment will remain empty regardless of the review outcomes. Scenario 4. No new activity. If no newer revisions is submitted or approved and no one takes action within a 7-day window, the empty revision is automatically approved and published, and the comment status will display automatically approved because it was not reviewed within the 168 hours. This will also trigger an AI label to be displayed when accessing the article. How contributors play a key role in the empty workflow. Machine translation is designed to support, not replace, our contributor community. It serves as a safety net, which is especially helpful when localizing brand new content or during fast-moving releases. By automating the first layer of translation, empty frees up valuable contributor time to focus on what matters most: refining translation for clarity and natural tone, ensuring UI terms match the product's existing translations, maintaining cultural relevance, delivering high-quality support content to users. This is where contributor expertise makes a real impact. Your review, edits, and local knowledge are essential to help ensure that translations are not only technically accurate, but also meaningful and culturally relevant. Where to find empty revisions to review. To support the empty workflow, it's important to know where to find machine-translated revisions so you can review or improve them. But first, it's important to note that when reviewing revisions, it's helpful to prioritize based on impact and relevance. The first priority would be to focus on articles with higher page views, and the second priority would be on updates that are related to the latest Firefox release. Okay, let's get back to the topic of where to find empty revisions to review. Well, the first is the unreviewed list. The benefit of this list is that you can have a focused view of pending revisions, product filter, sortable by page view, or revision date. However, there is no option to filter empty revisions, and auto-approve empty revisions won't appear in this page. The second is the recent revision list. The benefit of this view is that you can see all revisions, and there's option to show or hide empty revisions, and you can filter by date range. However, the page doesn't indicate review status, so you'll have to check manually. The third is the locale theme dashboard. The benefit of this page is that it displays detailed metadata and ability to filter by date range, product, locale, other, and reviewer. However, the data pipeline is only updated once a day. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and bye!